Hello, to turn off ads on your Xiaomi Poco X7, let me quickly show you. Let's go into the settings, let's scroll down and go into themes application, and sometimes in this application there are actually ads that are appearing when you're navigating through this application. So to disable them, you go into my account, settings right here, and here is the option to show ads, and you simply can disable this option, and right now you will not have any ads appearing in this application. And we can also try with this application called File Manager, and right here there are actually a lot of different ads, and you can try disabling them by going, no, you simply have to first of all go into this application and press this button right here to go into the menu, press and hold this application and go into settings, and from here you can disable the notifications. You can disable this show notifications, and you can also try by disabling the connection method. You will have by default enabled selected this mobile data. You can unselect this and press OK, and in some cases it works and in some cases it's not working. In my case it's really not working and I still have ads in here in this application, as you can see, but in some cases it does work and it might be actually disabling these ads. So give it a try. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.